Filing your taxes can feel overwhelming, but with the right approach, it becomes much more manageable. Whether you're filing for the first time or have been doing it for years, understanding the process can save you time and stress. Here are some simple tips and tricks to help you navigate the 2025 tax season smoothly. 1. Know the important dates. Keeping track of tax deadlines is crucial to avoiding late penalties and processing delays. The 2025 tax season has several important dates that taxpayers should remember. The IRS started accepting tax returns on January 27, 2025, marking the beginning of the filing period. The tax filing deadline for most taxpayers is April 15, 2025. Filing on time is essential to avoid penalties and ensure timely processing of refunds. If you need extra time to complete your return, you can request an extension, which gives you until October 15, 2025 to file. However, it is important to note that an extension only applies to filing the return, not to paying any taxes owed. If you have a tax balance, you must pay it by April 15, 2025, to prevent penalties and interest charges from accumulating. To stay on track, taxpayers should mark these key dates on their calendars and set reminders. Proper planning ensures smooth tax filing, reducing stress and financial risks. 2. Gather necessary documents early. One of the best ways to make tax filing easier is to collect all essential documents before you begin. Having everything ready in advance can save you time, reduce stress, and help you maximize deductions or credits you may qualify for. The first step is gathering your income statements, which includes forms like W-2s. If you are an employee or 1099, if you earn freelance or contract income, you should also collect documents related to investment income such as Form 1099 DIV for dividends, Form 1099 INT for interest earnings. If you or a dependent have paid tuition, Form 1098T is essential, as it helps determine eligibility for education tax credits. Similarly, if you have student loans, Form 1098E will show the interest paid, which may be deductible. Homeowners should have Form 1098, which details mortgage interest that may qualify for deductions. If you plan to itemize medical expenses, gather receipts and statements for qualifying healthcare costs. Keeping these documents in an organized folder, either physically or digitally, will streamline the tax filing process, ensuring accuracy and reducing the likelihood of errors or missing deductions. 3. Choose the right filing method. Deciding how to file your taxes is an important step that can impact your financial situation. There are several methods available, each with its own advantages. Online tax software like TurboTax, H&R Block, or TaxAct provides a user-friendly experience guiding you through the process while identifying potential deductions and credits. If you meet specific income requirements, you may qualify for IRS Free File, allowing you to submit your taxes online at no cost. For individuals with complex tax situations, hiring a professional tax preparer or accountant ensures accuracy and maximizes deductions. While paper filing remains an option, it takes longer to process and has a higher risk of errors. Overall, electronic filing is the most efficient choice, offering faster processing, quicker refunds, and confirmation that your return was successfully submitted. Choosing the right method can make tax season less stressful. 4. Be aware of tax credits and deductions. Understanding tax credits and deductions can help reduce the amount you owe or increase your refund. Tax credits directly lower your tax bill, while deductions reduce your taxable income. Some key tax credits include the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, for low to moderate income workers, the Child Tax Credit for those with qualifying dependents, and education-related credits like the American Opportunity Credit and the Lifetime Learning Credit. There is also the Energy-Efficient Home Credit for installing energy-saving improvements. Important deductions include contributions to traditional IRAs and 401ks, which may be tax-deductible, and student loan interest, allowing a deduction of up to $2,500. Medical expenses exceeding 7.5% of your adjusted gross income may also be deductible, along with charitable contributions to qualifying organizations. Researching which credits and deductions apply to you can significantly impact your tax liability, helping you save money or receive a larger refund. Consider consulting a tax professional for personalized advice. 5. Avoid common mistakes. Mistakes on your tax return can lead to delays, audits, or penalties. Common errors include incorrect personal details like names, social security numbers, or addresses. Miscalculations, even with tax software, can cause problems, so double-checking your numbers is crucial. Failing to report all income, including side jobs, may raise red flags. Banking errors such as incorrect account or routing numbers for direct deposit can delay refunds. If filing by mail, forgetting to sign and date your return makes it invalid. Choosing the wrong filing status or missing deductions can also impact your tax outcome. Filing late or not at all may result in penalties and interest charges. Carefully reviewing your return before submission helps prevent these issues, ensuring smooth processing and avoiding unnecessary stress. Take your time and verify every detail to file correctly. 6. Watch out for scams. Tax season is a prime time for scammers trying to steal personal information. Fraudsters often impersonate the IRS, demanding payments or sensitive data. To stay safe, always remember that the IRS primarily contacts taxpayers through mail, not phone calls, emails, or social media. Be cautious of fake calls from individuals claiming to be IRS agents, especially if they pressure you to make immediate payments. When filing taxes online, use only secure, reputable tax software with strong security features to protect your data. Regularly monitor your IRS account to detect any unauthorized tax filings in your name. If you receive suspicious communication or believe you are a victim of tax fraud, report the scam to the IRS immediately. Staying informed and vigilant during tax season is essential to safeguarding your personal and financial information from potential identity theft. 7. Plan for the future. Making small adjustments now can make tax filing much easier next year. Start by reviewing your withholding. If you owed money or received a large refund this year, updating your W-4 form can help balance your tax payments. Keeping tax-related documents in a dedicated folder ensures easy access when needed. Tracking deductible expenses, such as business, education, or medical costs, can be simplified using apps or spreadsheets. Contributing to retirement accounts like an IRA or 401k not only prepares you for the future, but also lowers your taxable income. Additionally, consider making estimated tax payments if you have freelance or side income to avoid surprises. Staying organized and planning ahead will help you minimize stress and streamline the tax process. Taking these steps now can lead to a smoother and more efficient tax season next year. In conclusion, filing taxes may seem overwhelming, but with proper preparation, it can be a smooth process. Understanding key deadlines, organizing documents early, and choosing the right filing method can help reduce stress. Taking advantage of deductions and credits can also lower your tax bill, ensuring you don't pay more than necessary. Additionally, avoiding common mistakes and staying alert to scams will protect your personal and financial information. Planning ahead for next year is just as important. Keeping track of expenses, setting up a system for organizing tax documents, and adjusting withholdings if necessary can make the 2026 tax season even easier. Whether you file on your own or seek professional help, being proactive will save you time and money. By following these steps, you can approach tax season with confidence and peace of mind. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe. Your support means a lot. Thank you.